Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to enable 32-bit float recording on DJI Mic 3. Now let's begin. First, you want to swipe from the top to the bottom, just like that, not like that, like that, and then you want to head into transmitter settings. Then, let's scroll right until we'll see 32-bit float recording. As you can see, by default this is disabled, but if you want to, you can always enable it. Is it better option than normal recording? Well, technically, though, if I remember correctly, then this will wait slightly more. But basically you just want to enable this and play around. Maybe it will be good for you, maybe it will relieve your expectations, and maybe it will be fine in the end. It's really hard to predict, but for me, I will just keep that off, only because this is the default advised setting. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.